What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? For today's video, I'm going to be opening up the Pikachu reunion box. I've been wanting to open this for a while, honestly, and I finally got the chance to. So, let's just get right into it, because I'm very excited for it. Let's start opening up. We have Gengar over here, giving us good luck. Oh my goodness. Let me open it over here. Like, jeez. Oh my goodness. Alright. Let's get these bad boys out. Alright. If they want to come out, there you go. That's all I have to do. Alright, here's the code. There's the top one. Next to that one, there's that one. And in the bottom two cards. That's pretty cool. And what else do we got? Oh, we got this. We got a trainer, Professor Burnett. Alright. And let's go for the big, beautiful card. Look at this. That was hilarious. I love it, love it. Here's the back, giant. Alright, let's check out the packs. Let's check out the packs. Celebrations pack only comes with 4 cards. I have 1. Then we got Battle Style, take 2. And then we got Battle Styles. Oh Lord, we got Battle Styles over here. Darkness Ablaze, try to get that Charizard. Also in the Celebrations packs, try to get the Charizard as well. 2 more Celebrations. And 1 more. And that is all that comes in the packs. In the box, I meant. Alright. Let's add it, put it back here. Alright. Should we just go Celebrations first and then we switch that up? Let's do this. Alright. It's time to open up these packs. There's only 4 cards, so there is no card trick, and this does not want to open because it's alright. The code, of course. And let's start with the Cosmog. The Dialga. The Venusaur. And I have this card, I'm not gonna lie with y'all. It's a nice card, but I mean, if you have doubles of it. That Venusaur though. We'd love to see that Venusaur. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Actually, you know, if you got, let's see the Venusaur. That Venusaur is beautiful. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. If you want to see this, I can. Okay. So sleek, so sleek. Alright, let's go. We're trying to get the Charizard here. Hopefully we get the Charizard. Such a beautiful card. Not as beautiful as the code card, of course. We love the code cards. Alright, let's get going. Let's get going. Alright, Cosmog again. And our beautiful one. Our second one. Our second one. Such a shame. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We ain't got time to be stopping. We ain't got time to be stopping. Can we get a different one? There's the code card. Can we get a different one, please? Cosmog. Okay. And our Pikachu. Yes, I have not pulled this one. Finally, we get the Pikachu Chunkachu. He's so chunky. Finally. Put him over here. And let's keep going, honestly. Let's do this. We got the Chunkachu. Alright, well, he's just so chunky. Okay. Oh, okay. Relax now. Relax. 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 There's the code. All right. Let's see if we can get something else. We got the Yoga. Professor Oak. Hilarious. Imposter Professor Oak. And then we got the Flying Pikachu VMAX. Finally, honestly, I've been trying to get this for a while. Finally. We're doing good so far. Was that all the celebrations that was all? Holy cow, we're on to battle styles. Alright. There's the code. Good luck to anyone who gets it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, we did it right. Alright. Pharaoh. Grumpig. Single strike. Scroll of Scorn. Onyx. Look like someone woke him up. Cherubi. Alright. And our main person. Oh! Tapu Koko. Beautiful card. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I love how it looks like. So gorgeous. Love the card. And I heard Battle Styles was not that good. Alright. Our main one. Because we are trying to get that Charizard. We are all trying to get that Charizard. Alright. Oops, did I get the wrong way? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get to it. Rose Tower. Mareep. Panzer. Cafont, Wishy Washy, Grimmer, Swan is our last rare Pokemon. I mean, it's not the worst. I love the art on this, but it wasn't what we were looking for. Let's see what we pulled out. We have Tapu Koko, Flying Pikachu VMAX, this beautiful card. We did pull out the, not that one, the Venusaur. Such a beautiful card. I always choose Venusaur. I mean, Bulbasaur when I played the Pokemon games back then. Bulbasaur was always my favorite. But the reason why I got that box was just for this beautiful card. It's so beautiful. But that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what would you want me to open. I'm down for anything Pokemon. I just need new ideas. I'm gonna still go out and buy some more just for y'all, but if you enjoyed today's video, again, like and subscribe, hit the little bell.